In this video, I will show you how to turn on your location for Life360. And there are a couple of things that you can do to turn on your location again, and I'm going to show you every single thing. So first of all, open up your app, and from here, navigate to the settings icon at the top left. And from here, you need to click on location sharing. So let's go ahead and click on this. And in here, you can see if you are sharing your location. And right now it is enabled, but if you do not have this enabled in here, then switch it to on, then it is purple, and then you will be able to turn on your location from inside Life360. And right now this is saying vFamily settings, as you can see on top of this settings section, and that is right now for my vFamily circle that I have my location turned on. So you need to go back to a different circle if you want to turn it on for that circle again. So that is basically how you do it from inside of the app, but you can also turn your location on outside of the app, and that is through your settings. And this is the most effective way. And you can do that by doing the following. You just close the app, then you are opening your settings, then go to your applications all the way at the bottom on iPhone. On Android, it will be something different, but just go to your applications, then type in Life360 so that you access all the settings of this application, and then click on location. And that is indicated all the way at the top in my case. So in here, you can see that it is set to never, but if you want to enable this and turn this on, I would say put this to always, because Life360 is an app that needs your location all the time in order to work properly and in order to be visible for other people. So put it to always, and also make sure that you have precise location enabled just like I have it in here. And once you do that, you will have your location turned on the correct way, and then you can start using the app again. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.